Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's solve this question together. We have x plus y is equal to 10 and xy is equal to 100. Find x and y. Find the values of x and y in this equation. So we can call this equation 1 and call this equation 2. So in equation 1, we have x plus y is equal to 10. We can make x the sort of formula. We can say x is equal to 10 minus y. Okay, now from this here we'll have that x is equal to 10 minus y. So let's substitute for the value of x in equation 2. Equation 2 is what? Xy is equal to 100. So let's substitute now. We have 10 minus y is equal to 100. Okay, this becomes 10y minus y squared is equal to 100. 10y minus y squared minus 100 is equal to 0. When this crosses, it becomes negative. So to rearrange this, you can say minus y squared plus 10y minus 100 is equal to 0. Here, let's multiply all through by negative 1. It becomes y squared minus 10y plus 100 is equal to 0. Okay, so we have a proper quadratic equation that we can solve with the almighty formula. Here a, what's the quotient of y? Here a is 1, b is what? Minus 10, and c is 100. So the formula is what? We have that minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Our b is what? Negative 10. So minus negative 10 plus or minus negative 10 squared minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 100. So our value of c is 100 and our value of a is 1 all over 2 multiplied by 1. Negative negative will give you positive 10. Plus or minus, this is 100 minus 4 times 100 is what? 400 all over 2. 2 times 1 will give you 2. Okay, now we have 10 plus or minus 100 minus 400 is what? Minus 300. Okay, square root of minus 300 over 2. Now we can say this is plus or minus negative 300 multiplied by square root of minus 1 over 2. That is 10 plus or minus with 300 I over 2. Now 300 can be broken down into 100 times 3. So we can say 10 plus or minus 100 times 3 I over 2. Okay, now we have this becomes 10 plus or minus square root of 100 is what? 10 root 3i over 2. Okay, so you can just make this as 10. This is going to cover for both this side and this side. 10 over 2 plus or minus 10 root 3i over 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 5, 2 here 1, 2 here 5. So we have 5 plus or minus 5 root 3i. This is the value of what? Our y. We're looking for the value of y here. So this is what? Y. So now this is both. We have two answers, y1 and y2. So our y1 here is what? 5 plus 5 root 3i. Then our y2 is what? 5 minus 5 root 3i. Okay, so now let's find the value of our x. Now we have that y is this and y is this and this. So let's find the value of x. So x is equal to 10 minus y. Remember, when this moves over, it becomes 10 minus y. So let's use the first equation, the first one, the y1. So we're looking for x1. So we'll be using y1. So x1 is equal to 10 minus 5 plus 5 root 3i. Okay? x1 is equal to 10. This negative is going to affect everything in this bracket. So it becomes minus 5. Minus plus becomes minus 5 again, root 3i. So we have 10 minus 5 is what? 5 minus 5 root 3i. So this is the value of our x1. Alright? So let's find x2. x2 is 10 minus y2. And our y2 is 10 minus 5 minus 5 root 3i. Okay, like I said earlier, the negative here would affect everything in this bracket. x2, 10 minus 5 plus, minus is plus, 5 root 3i. 10 minus 5, we have 5 plus 5 root 3i. So this is the value of our x2. Okay, now I'd like us to verify this answer. We have that our x, y1, y2, y, x2, x, x1, x2. So let's verify with x, y1. So we have x1 plus y1 is equal to 10. Let's see if this is going to give us 10. And what is our x1? 5 minus 5 root 3i plus our y1 is what? 5 plus 5 root 3i. Is it equal to 10? Here we can see that we have negative 5 root 3i and plus 5 root 3. Automatically this cancels out each other. So we're left with what? 5 plus 5. That's equal to 10. Is it equal to 10? 5 plus 5 is what? 10. That means our left hand side is the same thing as our right hand. So that means that our value for y1 and x1 is correct. So now let's check for the x2 and y2. So x2 plus y2, let's know if the answer is equal to 10. What's the value of our x2? We have 5 plus 5 root 3i plus 5 minus 5 root 3i. Is it equal to 10? Now you can see that we're having negative and negative. This cancels out. So 5 plus 5, is it equal to 10? Obviously it is. So the values of our x1, y1, y2, x2, y2 is correct. So do well to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye. See you in my next video.